Check out the mess here me and Gene's got. Me and Gene is rebuilding another, what is it, the heater box, heater coil box.
It's a heater box.
Look inside, all the stuff inside here, man. Oh, wait a second, there you go. Look at this. It spins? Oh, at least it spins. He's trying to take it apart, clean it out. He already did one already, and that's for the 71 510. So he's gonna have this one for the wrecker. This is our second box that we're gonna be rebuilding. As you guys can see, we love this for our wrecker. So this is another one that we had cleaned a few years back, but we saved it from another car that we had. As you guys know, we love 510s, and we have extra parts that we always save around for bad days. You know, so this is one that he's going to clean out. He's going to test it out and make it look like new. There you go. Right now, Mean Gene's Auto, he's doing his job, so check him out in the next project he's doing. So stay tuned. Another video coming soon when you see this done, completely redone. Stay safe until the next one. Ciao.
See you.